At Chattanooga 2.0, we're more than just an idea. We're a team working to strengthen the systems that help children and youth succeed. Guided by 4 big bets, our team is leading place-based, data-informed strategies to change the odds across neighborhoods in Hamilton County, from birth to career. Through viable pathways to prosperity, we connect Hamilton County students with hands-on training, real-world experience, high-demand jobs, and all the necessary support, propelling them into thriving wage careers. Because when students have debt-free choices for high-quality education and direct paths to strong careers, entire families and communities rise. Through our big bets, we're turning ideas to action. Because if we can turn promise into progress in Hamilton County, we can rewrite the story for children, students, and families for decades to come.